dear student, welcome to you in today's lecture of English. I hope dear students you all are safe and watching videos regularly. So I welcome you in today's lecture of English where we are going to just continuing the question answers which we have already started in previous lecture. So I hope you all are just ready with your course book and with your notebook also. So let's get started. So students, just open your course book of page number 4 and let us see first two up to fourth question that we have been already completed in previous lecture. Now let me start in today's lecture from the fifth question. So let us see, as you can see already I have written the question answers on the board. So let us see the first one, the fifth one question of question number C. Why was Kerouac so successful at the game Miraz in the desert? Why was Kerouac so successful at the game Miraz in the desert? Why he was too much successful in that game which was started to play by the students in the class and in the break time. So let us see what is the answer. Kerouac was successful at the game Miraz in the desert as he was wearing a chin guard which did not wet his lips. As I already explained you that what the students had to be do in that game, that the students had to cup of the water and they have to just touch only the lips, but it would not be entered in their body. है ना, क्या करना था उन्हें, जस्ट टैप से जो वाटर आ रहा था वहाँ पर उन्हें जस्ट उस वाटर को अपने लिप्स तक टच करना था, बट दैट वाटर कुड नॉट बी एंटर इन देयर बॉडी. लेकिन वो जो वाटर था उनके बॉडी में नहीं जाना चाहिए था. इट वॉज द गेम दैट द स्टूडेंट्स वॉन्ट टू प्ले इन दैट इन द रिसेस टाइम. And why he was become too much expert, because the Kerouac who had already wear the headgear, जिसने already headgear पहना हुआ था and which was attached to his chin, जो उसके chin से और forehead से attached था. So it would be that headgear would be helpful to him to play that game, and he was very successful in that game because by wearing that chin guard which did not wet his lips, and it could be helpful to him to just and by that headgear he was not able to enter water in his body. So just write down this answer. Kerouac was successful at the game Miraz in the desert as he was wearing a chin guard which did not wet his lips. Now let us see the next one question. Next one question is from pairs. Now discuss these questions with your partner before you write this answer. So let us see the next one question. First one question of question number C. Why was the break time the real test for Kerouac? Why was the break time? Why was the break time is the real test for the Kerouac? Because the break time was the real test because all the students would now make fun on him, and as the name they started to call Kerouac by giving any name. Some student would started to give name him as like alien, or some would say that he is looking like very ugly. So that's why it is a real test. The break time was a real test for the Kerouac because all the students would now make fun of on him. क्योंकि रिसेस टाइम में क्या होता है, जनरली स्टूडेंट एक दूसरे को टीज करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई it was the real time to test for him. So write down the answer. The break time was the real test because all the students would now make fun on him. Now let us see the next question, question number B. Kerouac asked the dentist, when am I going to get braces? Do you think he enjoyed wearing the dental headgear? Kerouac asked the dentist. Kerouac dentist से क्या पूछता है? When I am going to get braces, कि उसे braces कब लगेंगे? It means जो कैप स्टील कैप होती है वो उसे कब लगेगी? Do you think he enjoyed wearing the enjoy by wearing the headgear in the class or in the school? Let us see the answer. Yes, he asked it because he was not afraid anymore of the headgear. Why he asked the question? Why he asked this question to his dental surgeon? Because he was not afraid anymore, or he was not afraid about someone that some would be come and just tease him of that headgear and did not get affected by the teasing of the people or the students, and he doesn't afraid about someone that let they come to him and just started to tease him, because he already is having in his habit, बहुत काफ़ी समय से जब वो हेडगियर लगा हुआ था, नाउ अब ये उसकी हैबिट में आ चुका था कि कोई भी अगर आकर उसे टीज करे, नाउ he started himself to give answers to someone while anyone started to tease him. अगर कोई उसे टीज करना भी स्टार्ट करता है तो भी उसके पास आंसर्स रेडी थे. He is very calm boy. Now let us see the next question. I have not written the questions are here. I repeat. Just note it down the question in your notebook. Question number C is: do you think Sanjay and Shekhar had ever worn braces? Do you think? Write down the question. Do you think Sanjay and Shekhar had ever worn braces? These are the friends of Kairav, Shekhar and Sanjay. And what do you think? That they had ever worn braces. क्या उन्होंने कभी braces पहने थे, या उनके टिप में कभी डेंटल क्लिप, मेटालिक क्लिप या स्टील क्लिप लगी थी? नो, दे नेवर वोर ब्रासेस. उन्होंने कभी इस तरह के जो टिप थे या स्टील कैप टिप उन्होंने यूज़ नहीं किए थे, और दे हैड नेवर यूज हेडगियर एनी वो. Now let us see the next one question. Question number D. Why had Kairav, write down the question in your notebook. Why had Kairav barely spoken to Chitra all term? Why had Kairav barely spoken to Chitra all term? And how would you have acted if you were in the same class with Chitra? So I repeat the question once again. Just note it down in your notebook. Why had Kairav barely spoken to Chitra all the term, and how would you have acted if you were in the same class with Chitra? So let us see the answer. What is the first one question? Why had Kairav barely spoken to Chitra? वो इतने hardly चित्रा से बात क्यों करता है? Because she looked different and ugly in braces. Because in braces she is looking very ugly and different. So that's why Kairav barely spoken to Chitra in all the term. Now the next question: how would you have acted if you were in the same class with Chitra? So now how would you react if you are in the same class of Chitra? अगर आप supposed to be, just imagine you are in the class of Chitra and she wore braces and she is looking ugly. So what was your behavior towards her? तो आपका जो behavior है उसके लिए कैसा रहेगा? I would have been compassionate to Chitra. So, and as a sensible student in the class, it would be our responsibility to just maintain our behavior with all the students, whether they are our friends or the classmates. अगर हम just imagine कि हम एक अच्छे student हैं and we are in the class and supposed to be any other students enter in our class, supposed to be they are fresh or new student in the class, तो हमें किसी का भी कभी टीज नहीं करना चाहिए या कभी किसी का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. We all the time always ready to help the other students and never tease anyone. और हमें कभी भी किसी को टीज नहीं करना चाहिए, चाहे फिर वो हमारा फ्रेंड हो या ना हो. Now let us see the next one question. The last one question is here. What would you have done? Write down the question first of all. What would you have done if you had to wear a dental headgear? what would you have done? If you had to wear a dental headgear to school like Carol. I repeat the question once again, just note it down in your notebook. What would you have done if you had to wear a dental headgear to school like Carol? Think of one humorous retort. Think one humorous. The spelling of humorous is Humorous. Humorous retort. Retort. You could give your classmate. I repeat the question once again. Just listen my words very carefully and just copy it down in your notebook. The last one, question number E. The last one question is E, and that is, what would you have done if you had to wear a dental headgear to school like Carol? Question mark. And the next one more question is there. Think of one humorous retort you could give your classmate. Now that I explain the question, what would you have done if you had to wear a dental headgear to school like Carol? अगर आप क्या करते, इफ सपोज टू बी, अगर आपको भी डेंटल सर्जन ने या डेंटिस्ट ने सजेस्ट किया है कि आपको भी हेडगियर पहनना है, सो व्हाट वुड यू हैव डन इफ यू हैड टू वियर, तो आप क्या करते उस समय? लाइक जस्ट इमेजिन इफ यू आर लुकिंग लाइक अ कैरर एंड व्हाट वुड यू हैव डन इन द क्लास? Think of one humorous retort. Think one of the humorous retort. A quick answer. If supposed to be someone is there who always tease you. कोई आपकी क्लास में वो हमेशा आपको tease कर रहा है, परेशान कर रहा है. So what would be your answer? तो आपका उसके लिए क्या आंसर होता? What would you reply to him or her? To your classmates. So let us see the answer. I would also keep calm like Carol did. What you also did? I would also keep calm. तो मैं भी क्या रहता? Calm रहता या शांत रहता, like Carol did, जैसा Carol behave कर रहा था. And I would have said I am looking like a star. And what would be your reply to someone if someone is going to tease you? अगर कोई आपको tease करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, अगली कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है, so what would be your answer? तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? I'm looking like a star. आप क्या कहोगे? Yes, I'm looking like a star. I'm not looking like ugly. मैं कोई ugly नहीं दिखाई दे रहा हूँ. It's an adventurous movie. So I'm looking like a star in an adventurous movie. मैं किसी adventurous movie के star की तरह दिखाई दे रहा हूँ. So it would be your answer. It would be your quick answer, retorted, humorous retort to someone if there is someone is going to tease you in the class. So student, I hope you are just completing the answer in your notebook. Like once again I am instructing you that whenever you are completing the question answers in your notebook, what you have to just follow, that always in neat and clean handwriting you have to just complete all the question answers in your notebook. After completing each question answers, just draw a line or underline with pencil and don't forget to give margin. So I repeat once again, question answers, just note it down in your notebook, or if anything is still remain, so just pause the video and just note it down. So I repeat the answer once again. 51 answer. Carol was successful at the game quote unquote mirage in the desert, as he was wearing a chain guard which did not wet his lips. This is the fifth one question. Now let us see the sixth one answer. The break time was the real test because all the students would now make fun on him. Now next one answer B. Yes, he asked it because he was not afraid anymore of the headgear and did not get affected by the teasing of the people. Now, as question number C, question number D and question number E haven't written over here, so I repeat the question once again. Just check your whether you have written this answer correctly or not. So question number C is, do you think Sanjay and Shekhar had ever worn braces? It is a question number C. Now the answer is written over here. No, they never wore. No, they never wore braces. Now next one, D. Question number D is, just check your question. Question number D. Why had Kairav barely spoken to Chitra all term? Question mark. How would you have acted if you were in the same class with Chitra? Now, let us see the answer. Because she looked different and ugly in braces, I would have been compassionate to Chitra. Now, last one question. Just check your question. What would you have done if you had to wear a dental headgear to school like Kairav? Think of one humorous retort you could give your classmate. It is the last one question of the story of this lesson. So let us see the answer. I would also keep calm like Kairav did. I would have said, I am looking like a star in an adventurous movie. So these are the remaining questions of this lesson. So just do it now if still any answer or any line is remain. So do it fast. So I hope dear student you have done it very well in your notebook. Now we'll meet you in next video. Till then take care and bye bye.